Are you ready to ignite your child's excitement for learning? Do you want them to discover solutions on their own and take pride in their success? Welcome everyone. I am Mashrufa Navroz Ali, and I am thrilled to introduce you to the Heuristic Method, a teaching methodology that will revolutionize your child's learning experience. In the Heuristic Method, we empower students to become independent discoverers. As Professor Armstrong once said, heuristic methods of teaching involve placing students as far as possible in the attitude of the discoverer, methods that involve their finding out instead of being merely told about things. Let's dive into an exciting example to understand how it works. Imagine your students are challenged to design a model that can safely drop an egg from the second floor. They brainstorm ideas, set objectives, and develop ingenious solutions. Now, let's explore the three essential steps of this method: planning, execution, and conclusion. First, in the planning stage, students set clear objectives and define the problem they need to solve. They brainstorm ideas and craft appropriate solutions. For instance, they may decide to design a parachute model to slow down the egg's descent, connecting their learning to scientific concepts such as air resistance and gravity. Next, in the execution stage, students put their plans into action. They gather materials and construct their unique models, carefully considering how to cushion the impact and slow down the falling egg. With enthusiasm, they release their creations from the second floor, eagerly observing the results and documenting their findings. Through this hands-on activity, they engage in practical application, develop problem-solving skills, and nurture their creativity. But we're not done yet. The students enter the conclusion stage. They gather as a group, exchanging insights and reflections. They formulate hypotheses, evaluate the accuracy of their solutions, and analyze the effectiveness of their chosen materials. Together, they celebrate their achievements and identify areas for improvement. When they achieve success, they proudly exclaim, "I found it." This triumphant moment is what defines the heuristic method. Through the heuristic method, students become curious, excited, and driven to explore and discover solutions. They take ownership of their learning, develop problem-solving skills, and gain practical knowledge in engineering. This example showcases the effectiveness of the heuristic method in engaging students and fostering hands-on learning. It's just one captivating instance of the heuristic method applied to a science topic. The beauty of this approach is its versatility, making it applicable in any subject. So, the heuristic method becomes a powerful tool to ignite a passion for learning, empowering students to explore, discover, and succeed across different subjects. If you want to learn more about teaching-related content and explore other effective methodologies, like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.